Goofoo is a high-tech enterprise that has unlimited field of 3D printer, materials, software, 3D printing as 3D printing solution providers. With modular design idea and sustainable innovation, Goofoo has realized more than 14 series of 3D printers since 2014, fulfilling different customers' needs like the kids for fun, education, home, office, industrial application, and so on. We have integrated a self-built vertical supply chain covering key components, final assembly, and packaging. We pride ourselves on the quality of the printers we produce and feel confident that they will exceed customers' expectation.